Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make you egg rice recipe. This recipe will be a good option if you have limited time but you have to eat something which is tasty. You can add more vegetables based on your wish if it's needed. Let's move to the video. In a large bottom pan, take water to cook the rice. Add 3/4 teaspoon salt and stir well. When the water starts boiling, add 2 cups of soaked basmati rice to it. I have washed and soaked the rice for 30 minutes. When it starts boiling, close the lid and keep it low flame. Cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, switch off the flame. Drain the rice and remove it into a bowl for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves and some curry leaves. Saute it for 1 minute on medium flame. Then add 1 sliced onion, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now add half chopped capsicum, 1 chopped carrot. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we can open the lid. Then add 5 to 6 eggs. Mix it and scramble the eggs. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Now we can add the cooked basmati rice to it. Mix everything nicely.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Close the lid and heat it for 2 minutes on low flame. Now switch off the flame. Our cooked egg rice recipe is ready. It's a simple recipe. Anyone can make this tasty lunch recipe. If you need, you can add more vegetables to it. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.